Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you how to add and manage tasks on Kanban board. To manage your tasks, click Projects in the section on the left side of the screen. Select a project and a task group within which you want to take action. At this point, you can see the Kanban board. This is where you will effectively manage all of your tasks. To add a new task, click the Add New Task button in the lower left corner, and then enter its name, for example, Building Permit. After adding the task, the system automatically creates a new search box for creating the new task. After adding the task, the system automatically creates a new search box for creating the next task. This quick method allows you to create a large number of tasks in a short time. At this point, you can see the newly created Kanban cards, that is, your tasks. Wondering how to pin people to a task? In IC Project, you will find several ways of doing this. Click on the first of the series of icons above the task. At this point, you can see all the people who are assigned to the project. The highlighted photos are the people who are already assigned to the task group in which you operate. In contrast, grayed out pictures are people who are assigned to the project, but are not currently in this task group. To assign people to a task, simply drag and drop their photos on a selected task. You can also do this with people whose photos are grayed out. After the drag and drop operation, the person will automatically be assigned to the selected task group. Let's have a look at how you can manage your tasks on Kanban board, shall we? We initially have 3 task lists: To Do, In Progress, and Done. Let's assume that one of the stages of your work is Preliminary Cost Analysis. Click Add List, enter the name, and select the task list. In this way, you can manage the stages of your work on tasks. Now, look at the series of gray icons above the Kanban board. You already know the first one. By using the other icons, you can manage the view of the tasks, including those modified in the last 24 hours. Show the deadline for each task. Set the view so that you only see your tasks or see the archived tasks. Moreover, each task can be exported to several different formats, for example, PDF. And finally, you can also see the view of your tasks in Gantt chart. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.